Hi, my name is Alexander and today's video is going to be about taillights for the BMW G20 3 Series. This BMW 330e just got these great OLED taillights with dynamic indicators installed. Let's have a look how they work. Just look at them, how cool they look with their design, partly red, partly smoked black, and the dynamic indicator, of course, real cool. These taillights are available in completely red and completely smoked as well. Let's have a look how they look on this cool G20. I just jumped out of our workshop into our showroom here at Schmiedmann in Odense to ask you a really important question. Do you like what you see? In that case, like and share it with a friend and let us know what you want more of. Workshop videos, warehouse videos, or something here from the showroom. Please let us know. Really means a lot to me personally and all of us here at Schmiedmann.com. Here we have the smoked black one. As you see, OLED dynamic indicators as well. Check out the look when it's turned off right here. And a real cool piece for the G20. Over here we have the red one, also OLED dynamic indicators. Check out the look when it's turned off right here, and find the links to the products in the description, or go to Schmiedmann.com now and find your upgraded taillights for your BMW or MINI. See ya.